This is Nerucciolo di Alba. I hope I pronounce it correctly. Um, I got the tree from Dan Foster a few months ago. It didn't grow that much, but it actually fruited a lot. And finally, right before the actual cold or freezing temperature hits, it start ripening, at least ripe one. And the amazing thing is, even though it's been raining for like 3 days straight, it didn't actually split. Like, look, it didn't split. Um, what do you think? Like, the taste is the best? Maybe not because of the rain, but like considering the middle of December and after 3 days straight rain, you're having a fresh fig. That's amazing. Thanks for watching.